In this video, I'll show you how you can turn off comments on your YouTube video. If you don't like people commenting on any of your videos, or whether you're trying to turn off comments for a particular video, you can do either of those options. To quickly get started in the video, open up the web browser and then open up your YouTube channel. Once you're inside of YouTube, click on the profile icon on the top right and head over to YouTube Studios. If you want to remove the comments from all of your YouTube videos, what you can do is head over to settings on the bottom left, click on community moderation, click on defaults, and here you'll see the option called comments on your channel. On the comments tab, make sure that off is selected and then you can click on save. Now, if you don't want this and if you want to turn off comments for only a particular video, you can also do that. Head over to the content section and pick the video that you want to turn off comments of. Once you open up the video, on the details tab, you can scroll down, click on show more, and on the bottom of the page, you'll see the option called comments and rating. Similar to before, you can also click on this option and then click on off. This way, if you click on save, and then if you open up the video, you can see the comments now have been turned off for this particular video. I do hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much it for today. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one.